2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, trip computer, power door locks, compass, power windows, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.